Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use our new EBSCO interface. So Pirate Search on the homepage doesn't look much different at all. However, once we run a search, we'll be able to see that there's actually a very different interface that we can use to find what we need in the library. I'm going to start with a really simple search for environmental justice. I'm going to limit to just full text and peer reviewed because those are things that I'm looking for today. And I'm going to hit search. And here's where we will see the differences. So first of all, we used to have a bunch of menu options over here on the left. And as we selected those items or deselected them, it would make changes over here to our results. And that is no longer. Now we have all of our basic limiters right up at the top here. We can see that we also have an all filters limiter where we can kind of look over everything. We can also see what expanders are used. Those are things that we can do to sort of make the search a bit bigger. We can make that disappear if we don't want it to be there all the time, but it's right there that we can make all those changes right on this results page, just like before, only it looks a bit different. You'll notice too that we no longer have just a straight PDF or HTML link. Now we have these little drop downs that say access options. Online full text is that HTML, and PDF will load the PDF. So a little bit different. You might now also see something like Access Now PDF. Some of them have mildly different names, but that drop down is what's going to get you the full text. So a bit different than before. Similarly, we now can save items a bit differently. If we select this first option, you'll see that this menu pops up. And so what we can do is we can download it, we can save it, and then it's going to move right over here. So really easy to find. We can add it to a project, which is a great idea if you're working on a specific paper or maybe a couple specific papers. You can keep items organized just right in EBSCO. We can share it or we can cite it. So we used to have to click into the title to be able to see a lot of those options. And now they are right here, right at the top as soon as we select. A couple more things I'd like to show you. Looking over here at this left side where we have things like our projects that we can create and we can save items. You can save searches to see your recent activity. Here we have holds and checkouts. If you check out a book from us, whether it's a physical book or something from Overdrive, which will be launching really quickly here when we start up again in the spring semester, you'll be able to look at all of your holds and checkouts right from Pirate Search, so you won't have to log in anywhere else. You can also create journal alerts, so when an article in a journal that you're interested in or that an instructor has asked you to review comes up, you can get an alert. Down here, we have a publication search. So if you've been asked to find a journal article from specific journals, you can just search for a journal right here. So let's say Journal of Autism and Developmental Disorders. It's right there. You can see where we have access. So it's right there in Pirate Search now. You can access it through not only our homepage, but from the results page on the Pirate Search page. We can go back to Pirate Search and we can see that there's also a few links for us down below. We link to our citation guides, a couple of databases that are really helpful, like Academic Search and Business Search. We also link to our interlibrary loan page. So if there's something you see here, maybe you've turned off that full text limiter because you want to get a really broad idea of what's out there, you can go right over here to the left side, click that interlibrary loan link, and then click the link to request your journal. And you'll notice that it even opens a new tab for you so you can click back and forth. I hope that helps you navigate our new EBSCO EDS, our new Pirate Search. It's got a lot of great features and we hope you enjoy using it.